Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the crucial 64GB DDR5 RDIMM memory module. If you're looking to supercharge your workstation or high-end desktop, this might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. First off, let's talk specs. This module boasts a massive 64GB capacity, utilizing the latest DDR5 technology. That alone is enough to make any power user drool. The speed is rated at DDR5-4800, which translates to incredibly fast data transfer rates. This is crucial for demanding applications like video editing, 3D rendering, scientific simulations, and even hardcore gaming. The fact that it's in RDIMM or register DMM is also significant. RDIMMs include a register that sits between the memory controller and the DRAM chips. This register helps to stabilize the memory signals, allowing for higher densities and improved reliability, especially when you're populating multiple memory slots. This is particularly beneficial for servers and high-performance workstations that require maximum uptime and stability. Crucial is a brand under Micron, a well-respected name in the memory industry. Micron manufactures the actual memory chips themselves, so you're getting quality and reliability straight from the source. The module is manufactured in Singapore, a hub for high-tech manufacturing. In terms of real-world performance, the difference between DDR4 and DDR5 is noticeable, and this 64GB module really lets DDR5 shine. Applications load faster, multitasking is smoother, and overall system responsiveness is significantly improved. For content creators, this means less time waiting for renders and more time being creative. Gamers will appreciate the higher frame rates and reduced stuttering, especially in graphically intensive titles. The module itself is lightweight, which might seem like a small detail, but can be important in builds where weight is a concern. Installation is straightforward, as with most RAM modules. Just make sure your motherboard supports DDR5 RDIMMs and that you follow the installation instructions carefully. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: price. DDR5 memory, especially high-capacity RDIMMs, is still relatively expensive compared to DDR4. However, if you need the performance and capacity that this module offers, the investment is well worth it. Think of it as an investment in your productivity and overall computing experience. Who is this memory for? It's ideal for professionals who work with large datasets, complex simulations, or high-resolution media. It's also a great choice for gamers who want the absolute best performance. If you're a casual user who primarily browses the web and checks email, this module is probably overkill. But if you're pushing your system to its limits, the crucial 64GB DDR5 RDIMM is a fantastic upgrade. It delivers exceptional performance, rock-solid stability, and the peace of mind that comes with a reputable brand.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.